Okay, so you've bought your DJI Mini 2 drone, and you're going through everything, and you realize that you can't find your lightning cable for your drone to use with your iPhone. And so you're looking all through the package, you can't seem to find it. Well, I'm going to show you where it's at. If you look here, your lightning cable is right here. It's underneath this, so you've got to open this up, right? And then look inside there. You see that cable there? So I'm going to pull off this side here. This is the side that goes into the phone. That's the Apple side. And when you're going to put your phone on here, you got to pull the cable over to this side, and then you're going to slide your phone in there. Let's just go ahead and grab my iPhone. Here's the port on it. So I want the port where the lightning connector goes in, right there. And then I'm just going to shift this under here, pull it forward, and bam, the phone's in its little cradle. And then what I've got to do is get this thing right here, which is the lightning one for the iPhones. And we're going to go ahead and just shove it right in there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There you are. Now you're ready to go. And that is how you find your lightning cable. It's hidden in here, because I think that most people that use these basically use Apple phones. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to find stuff like this. Peace out.